Hello children, hope all are doing good. Today we will learn about long object and short object. Long object and short object. Can you see this toothbrush? This is a long toothbrush. This is a short toothbrush. What is this? This is a spoon. This is a long spoon. This spoon is short. Long spoon, short spoon. Long sketch pen, short sketch pen. Long pencil, short pencil. Once again. Long toothbrush, short toothbrush. Long spoon, short spoon. Long sketch pen, short sketch pen. Long pencil, short pencil. Now children, can you say me which thread is long and which thread is short? This thread is long thread. This thread is short thread. Long thread, short thread. Now children, see this picture. Can you tell me which pencil is long and which pencil is short? This pencil is long. This pencil is short. Long pencil, short pencil. Now see the two snakes. Long snake, short snake. Long snake, short snake. Short knife, long knife. Short knife, long knife. Long ladder, short ladder. Long ladder, short ladder. Long spoon, short spoon. Long spoon, short spoon. Let's see some more pictures. Now children, you need to tell me which is the short picture. Can you see the two ropes? Can you tell me which is the shorter one? Short rope. This one is the short rope. And this is the long rope. Long aeroplane. Short aeroplane. Long belt. Short belt. Long toothbrush. Short toothbrush. Now can you circle the short objects? In these pictures, can you circle the long objects? Very nice. I hope you understood the long and short objects. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.